Hello everybody, welcome to Kids Time with me, Samiksha, and I'm going to show you how to make an origami flapping bird. So the materials required are an A4 size sheet. To make it more colorful, you can use some color paper. So the directions are, first take an A4 size sheet and from this corner to this corner, just make a triangle. Then crease it. Then just fold it like this so you can make a easy square here, as you can see. So you got a square here. So then from this corner to this corner, fold. Then crease it well. Now we can see we get a cross. So we should also get a plus here. So for that we should fold from this corner to this corner. Crease it well. Now we got the vertical line. Now we need the horizontal line. So now we got a plus as well as a cross. Then fold it in one of the triangular form. Then as you can see, this and this part, hold this and just hold it like this until you get a diamond. Now we have got a diamond. You can see this line. So just fold like this on both these sides. Crease it well. Then turn it and do the same. Now take the upper part and fold it in one side. Take it and do the same on the other side. Open it. Now we get this kind of shapes here. So now open this part and then fold it like this. Until the edge here. Then fold it. Do the same here also. Fold it and just pull this a little bit more. Crease it well. Then turn it. Do the same here. Just make sure all of them are the same line. Then open it. Do the same in the opposite side. Just do the same in the opposite side. Then then take this up. And then open this side also. Take this also up. Now we have the wings here, and then one of them is a tail, and then the other one is the head. Now you just have to check which makes it flap. So as you can see, pulling this makes it flap. So this is the tail. So to make the head of the bird, just fold it here. Like this. Just pull it out. You can draw eyes to make it look realistic. And then, isn't that easy, guys? Just give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Until then, it's bye from Samiksha. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.